अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एस्बेस्टोस रिलेटेड लंग कैंसर की। अगर आप भी इसके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो आपने इस वीडियो को बिना स्किप किए कंप्लीट वॉच करना है, क्योंकि आज की इस वीडियो में आपको लंग कैंसर की कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी। तो आप बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। Asbestos lung cancer specially refers to lung cancer caused by inhaled or ingested asbestos fibers. Lung cancer caused by asbestos is very rare. Mesothelioma is also caused by asbestos exposure but occurs in the lining of the lung. Lung cancer tumors form inside the lung. इसके बाद मजीद इसके आगे बात करें तो यहाँ पे आप देखें व्हाट शुड आई नो अबाउट लंग कैंसर कॉज्ड बाय एस्बेस्टोस। ओनली अ स्मॉल परसेंटेज ऑफ लंग कैंसर केसेस आर प्राइमरली लिंक्ड टू एस्बेस्टोस. Tobacco smoking accounts for about 80% of lung cancer death in the United States. Exposure to asbestos increases the risk of lung cancer in smokers and non-smokers. Lung cancer is the leading cause of cancer death in the United States. It kills more Americans each year than breast, prostate, and colon cancer combined. Lung cancer caused by asbestos is responsible for an estimated 6,000 deaths in the US each year. Quick fact about asbestos lung cancer. तो यहाँ पे आप देखें symptoms include shortness of breath, chest pain and coughing up blood. May develop 15 to 35 years after asbestos exposure. Two main forms are small cell and non-small cell. Prognosis and treatment depend on type and stage of cancer. Mesothelioma versus asbestos-related lung cancer. Lung cancer caused by asbestos is different than pleural mesothelioma, and asbestos-related cancer that develops in the lining of the lungs instead of inside the lung. Both diseases take decades to develop, but only months to spread or metastasize. Pleural mesothelioma and asbestos lung cancer involve similar diagnostic procedure and symptoms, but they differ in physical characteristics and treatment techniques. Asbestos exposure is the primary cause of the mesothelioma, while smoking is by far the leading cause of lung cancer. But asbestos exposure causes 6 times more cases of lung cancer than mesothelioma. Lung cancer claims the most lives of all asbestos-related diseases. यहाँ पे आप देखें लंग कैंसर वर्सेस मेसोथेलियोमा। यहाँ पे है कैंसर फॉर्म इन द लंग और यहाँ पे है प्लीक्यू फॉर्म इन प्लीयूरा. डायग्राम ऑफ लंग comparing malignant mesothelioma plaque in the lining versus a cancerous tumor. How does asbestos cause lung cancer? When a person inhales asbestos, microscopic fibers can become lodged in their lung tissue. Researchers have been studying just how these asbestos fibers cause cancer and found evidence that asbestos may spark changes within DNA itself. The International Agency for Research on Cancer is the specialized cancer agency of the World Health Organization. In 2017, IARC conducted an extensive research study that provided new evidence to connect asbestos and a chemical reaction that changes specific genes in the body. The chemical reaction DNA methylation impacts biological processes. IARC researchers explained the epigenetic mechanisms such as DNA methylation are fundamental in the regulation of gene of gene expression and is the beginning of the cancer information. Significantly impacted biological process include potassium channels regulate cancer behavior and can have anti-tumor effect and impact on their ability to fight tumors called allow cancer to aggressively progress. इसके बाद देखें यहाँ पे आप regulation of neuron differentiation in cancer can determine if cells are well differentiated or undifferentiated. Well differentiated cancer cells spread more slowly while undifferentiated cells can spread more quickly. While the asbestos can trigger the body nervous system to fuel tumor development and spread, the process itself may take decades from the point of exposure until the onset of symptoms asbestos related. तो आज की इस वीडियो में हमने एस्बेस्टोस लंग कैंसर की बात की। तो उम्मीद है आपको हमारी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो हमारी इस वीडियो को लाइक करके हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें, क्योंकि हम आपके लिए ऐसी ही अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोज़ लाते रहते हैं। तो हम मिलेंगे किसी अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।